Hey guys, what's up? You know, I look out here quite a bit at different things, and I've noticed that it's kind of bizarre, all the stuff that's out here, because in general, if you're starting like a new home-based business online, man, there is so much stuff out here that you really need to put on, like a pair of blinders so you don't see all the shiny objects, because they'll have you bouncing all over the place, looking for this, looking for that, doing this, doing that. Get with a program. Most of the programs have some kind of a training program. Everybody thinks theirs is great. I think mine's amazing. So does everybody else. But the problem you need to overcome is quit looking at all the other things. Focus on what you're doing. Get her done. Later, guys. Bye.